Thank you, President. Good evening. We are already at the closing has already been announced. We are at that stage where the curtains for the 35th Polar Summit is coming down, but it's time to raise curtain and cheer all those who stood behind to make this a success story. So here we are. To begin with, in the inaugural, we had Justice Vikram Nath from the Supreme Court of India, as well as the learned Attorney General for India as guest. We are extremely grateful to them for having accepted our invitation and be part of this summit. This event, as you all must have already realized, would not have been possible in the absence of these two actors, those who are sharing the dais with me. So here I have the President of the Bar Association of India, Mr. Prashant Kumar, and Mr. Shyam Diwan, Vice President, Bar Association of India, and President, Law Asia. It was just not imaginable for us to do it, but thanks to them that we could navigate, and now here we are. This event would not also have been possible without all those who are present in this room, and they are really they ensure that the heart of Polar beats effectively, properly, and rhythmically. So all of you, delegates from all the associations, if I may just read out the names, because that's very important that we acknowledge and express our gratitude to the delegates from Law Council of Australia, Bar Council of Bhutan, Law Society of Brunei, Bar Association of the Kingdom of Cambodia, Hong Kong Bar Association, All China Lawyers Association, Indonesian Advocates Association, Japan Federation of Bar Association, Korean Bar Association, Macau Lawyers Association, Malaysian Bar Association of Mongolian Advocates, Nepal Bar Association, Law Society of New Zealand, Taiwan Bar Association, Sabah Law Society, Law Society of Singapore, and Bar Association of Sri Lanka, together with all our observers, IBA, UIA, Law Asia, and the Advocates Association of Sarawak. Your presence here in New Delhi really means a lot. It has been both an honor and a privilege, making this one of the most well-attended and impactful summit in recent years. The breadth of perspectives that you have shared has greatly enriched all of us. I extend a huge round of thank you to my home institution, which is the Bar Association of India. All the office bearers, those who are present here, if I can just name those who are already here, if that's allowed, if the time permits. So especially to begin with, thanks to Rachna Srivastava, our Vice President, who ensured that everybody's visa got processed on time and they're here in New Delhi. So thanks to her. I extend my thanks to Mr. Yakesh Anand, although I can't see him, but to ensure that we all get good food. I also extend my thank you to Amulya Dhingra ji and young budding lawyer Aditya Dhingra for ensuring that all logistics are taken care of. Our future is in safe hands. I would also like to extend thank you to Naganan ji, Vidya Prakash Warunjikar ji, Nitin Thakkar ji, Mukesh Kumar ji, and am I leaving out anybody? Any bar association? And our treasurer, Maratha ji, without whose signing the checks, nothing would have been possible. I would also like to extend absolutely heartfelt thank you, and I genuinely mean it, to the office staff of Bar Association of India, Subodh Mishra, Roshan Kumar, Mahesh ji, and Rahul ji. Without their effort, which they have put in, they have worked 24/7. I remember sending them messages. In midnight, they've responded, sending them messages 4 a.m. in the morning, responding to all the messages. So I think they have ensured that this program is a great success. I would also place on record the support that we have received from the offices of many of our office bearers. From Mr. Dhingra's office, we had their interns, Ashutosh, we also had Saleshwar Yadav helping us. We also had Mahesh Kumar and many others from many other offices helping us throughout. And Aparna, of course. How can I leave that? That would be a grave mistake on my part. And now, as we conclude, we carry with us not just new knowledge, but renewed connections and a shared commitment to collaborate across Asia-Pacific legal community and continue the conversation that we have just begun. And I don't have any cartoon to show or any cat stories to tell, but I have an activity, a small one, to ensure that the connections remain. So if I may request all of you to please, the first activity would be to join your hands like this. And the second one would be to turn to your right, if people are on the right. If no one on the right, then turn to your left and say thank you, because it was because of all of you that we are here. And we reaffirm our faith on the polar, and we will continue to work together. Thank you so very much.